This project, in Leesburg, Virginia, features a 25.848 kilowatt Tesla solar roof system installed by American home contractors. The system includes 359 active Tesla solar tiles, each rated at 72 watts, delivering 25.8 kilowatts of DC power at standard test conditions. For energy storage and whole home backup, this home is equipped with 2 Tesla Powerwall 3 units, each rated at 11.5 kilowatts of output, along with 4 Powerwall 3 expansion units. Each battery provides 13.5 kilowatt hours of storage, giving the homeowners substantial backup capacity and intelligent energy management. This is a fully integrated solar and storage system designed to generate clean power, reduce reliance on the grid, and provide dependable backup when it matters most. Installed by American home contractors, installing peace of mind since 1986.